Okay, so here's how you remove profile pictures from other people in your Discord. So you don't want to see a profile picture, let's say this one. You can remove it from here, but not from here. But you can still remove it from here, here, and here, right? So let's say it's an inappropriate profile picture or whatever. So what you do is, I don't know if it works on the normal version, but you need CSS. So download Vencode from the link in the description. I know how to do it on Vencode. Then you go to Vencode, edit quick CSS, and this is what you do, right? EMG, I'm gonna copy the code below. So EMG this, copy it in, then here in avatars you first, so let's add one for example, you need to make a comma, and the last one always has to be without a comma. So like this, and then we remove this, right? And we wanted to remove this profile picture, then we right click on him and user ID, go back, quick CSS, okay, we need to change this to the user ID, boom, and then what is it? It's gone, right? You don't see it here, you still see it here, you don't see it here, you don't see it here or here anymore. And it's quite easy. And let me tell you some rules. So basically this, it has to be in the same formula, and it has to have a comma after the, if you like put on lists, right? You have to copy this. If you want to put another, copy paste in another line. So for example, you click here, suck, and then you copy paste the line, and then the last one, as I said, has to be without a comma, and you change the ID basically. That's how easy it is. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe,